Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ranjani. Well, I received a Boxycharm subscription box in my mail like a week ago, but I couldn't open because I was in Minnesota on vacation, so I couldn't unbox. So I thought of doing before the month of July ends. So today's video is about unboxing Boxycharm subscription box. So you all guys must have known the box looks like this. So last month we have opened a Boxycharm Luxe, that is an upgraded version of a regular box. But this month we're gonna unbox the regular box, and this is how the box looks. It's quite medium package, not too big or too small. So let's see what's in there. Before getting into the box, let me tell what Boxycharm is. Boxycharm is a subscription box, that is monthly subscription box. We pay $21 every month, and we get a box like this with 4 to 5 full-size products in it, and it has both makeup and skincare products, and it also has a upgraded version. Like the upgraded box comes every 4 months in a year, that is a quarterly upgrade. So you have to pay $21 plus $28.99 for the upgraded box. Last month what I received was an upgraded box, that is Boxy Luxe. So this month box is regular Boxycharm box. So without taking too much time, let's get into the box. Let me first open the box. This month, as usual, we get a little pamphlet telling what are all the products in it with the description. So it has around 5 products, and the first product will be LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So it is a skincare product. It is a Vital Veggie Mask. It's nice actually. Haven't tried any veggie mask. So this is a veggie mask from the brand LMS. I have heard a lot about this brand. It's quite a reputed brand. So let me get into the ingredients. So this mask gives you more softer, smoother and radiant looking skin. So this super veggie mask is formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oil, which is rich in omega fatty acids, and it helps to support the moisture of the skin, and it helps to brighten and soothen and give you a even looking skin. So it helps your complexion to get better. And the direction will be apply the mask twice weekly. Okay, you can apply this mask twice a week, and just leave it for 10 minutes like usual mask and wipe it off. So this is all about this mask. I'm super excited to try this one. Let me tell the review in the next video how does the mask feels. So I got a little makeup on my face, so I can't try it now. I'll try it and let you know about this mask in the next video. And coming to the next product, it is a makeup product, and it is a brush set. It includes 3 brushes, and it's from the brand Lexie. I have already received a couple brushes from the Lexie brand in Boxycharm box, and Lexie brushes are quite good brushes with synthetic fibers, and I hope it to be good too. So let me look into the brushes first. So it has 3 brushes in it. Wow, it got this amazing wooden handle, and it is a nice color too. So this one is Lexie 510 foundation brush, and the bristles are super soft. I'm quite excited to try this, but I already have 3 to 4 brushes for the foundation. I think I'll use this for the concealer. Maybe I should try how does it works to conceal. I'll try and let you know. And these 2 brushes are, again, it's a blending brush. It is it is a crease blending brush. It's Lexie 250 large eye blending brush, and this is again a precision crease brush. It is Lexie 246. So I think we never get bored of trying new brushes. Yeah, it will be useful too. I'll use these brushes in the next video. And one more thing about these brushes, these are eco-friendly brushes. So this is the second product, and the third product will be, wow, an eyeshadow palette. It is from Butter London. Oh, the packaging looks so cute. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. It is the name of the palette is Natural Goddess, and the color looks so stunning. Look at these colors. Yeah, maybe I should swatch it for you guys. So the first color is Enchantress. Oh my god. And the next shade is shade Queen. Oh, I love this color. And the third shade is Star. Oh, look at the color. Look at this pigment. Fourth is Diva. Fifth is Tempress. And sixth shade is Femme Fatale. So these are the shades. Look at those shades. Wow. So it has 4 metallic and 2 matte shades, and the colors are gorgeous. I can't wait to try this palette, and it's highly pigmented. I'll maybe use all these in the next video, the brush and the shadows. So I love this. And coming into the box again, the next product is Appeal Gel Liner. I got a eyeliner. So it is a gel liner in a deep brown. Wow, it's highly pigmented and it glides super smooth, and I love this color. And the next product will be Ofra Liquid Lip. It is a liquid lipstick in the shade Santorini, and it's from the brand Ofra. Oops, I stained the lipstick already. Okay, it is a liquid lipstick. Wow, it's a nice color. It's a beautiful color. So these are all the products I have received in this month Boxycharm, and so I have 1 skincare and 4 makeup products. So I'll tell the value of all the products. The LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. The value of this product is $35, and the value of the eyeshadow palette is $32. The value of Lexie Brush 3-piece brush set. The value of this brush set is $30, and the value of Ofra liquid lipstick is $20, and finally the value of the gel liner is $21. Okay, let's get into the calculation. I'm so bad at math. I better use the calculator. So the first product is 35 plus 32 plus 30 plus 20 plus 21. So the total value of the box is $138, and I have paid $21, as you all know. It's not a disappointing box. I actually loved it. The most interesting thing I received in this box is, I would say, the veggie mask and maybe the eyeshadow palette. I like these two better. So I think these two are more interesting. So this is all about July Boxycharm box. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, please do like, share with your friends, and please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys on Thursday with another video. I've also linked my social media handle down in the description box. Please do go check out and follow me there. You'll get to know more about me. Until then, bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.